Hello, everyone, and welcome to our deep dive into 60 astonishing footage of disaster ever caught on camera. Today, we're exploring 60 unforgettable moments that showcase the raw power of nature and human error alike. These recordings not only capture astonishing displays of destruction, but also offer crucial lessons on the importance of being prepared for the unexpected. If you find these insights valuable, please subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check out the link in the description for our top recommended safety product, designed to help you stay safe when disaster strikes. Natural disasters have a way of upending our lives in an instant. Studies reveal that in many regions affected by severe events, up to 80% of vulnerable infrastructure can suffer major damage. Shockingly, nearly 50% of households remain unprepared for these crises. These numbers aren't just statistics, they represent real lives at risk and serve as a call to action for us all to invest in proper preparedness. Let's begin by examining earthquakes, one of the most unpredictable disasters. Footage from major quakes often shows entire neighborhoods reduced to rubble within seconds. In some areas, up to 70% of older, non-retrofitted buildings collapse when the ground begins to shake. On the other hand, cities that enforce modern building codes and conduct regular emergency drills see casualty rates drop by nearly 40%. These statistics remind us that even modest improvements in preparedness can save countless lives and drastically reduce property damage. Next, consider hurricanes and typhoons, colossal storms that often unleash wind speeds exceeding 100 miles per hour. In hurricane-prone areas, approximately 65% of homes might be at risk if they aren't properly fortified, and flooding can affect more than 60% of coastal regions. Recorded footage of these storms displays chaotic scenes of shattered windows, collapsed roofs, and streets transformed into raging rivers. With early terming systems and practiced evacuation plans, communities can reduce potential damage by over 35%, proving that proactive measures are essential.
Fine movie right in your own backyard.
Tsunamis provide another dramatic example of nature's overwhelming force. Triggered by powerful undersea earthquakes, tsunamis can surge inland with towering waves reaching up to 100 feet. For example, the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami claimed over 2,000 lives and obliterated more than 75% of coastal structures in some areas. These figures emphasize the urgent need for robust coastal defense systems and rapid evacuation protocols. When you see this astonishing footage, it becomes clear that even a few minutes delay in response can mean the difference between life and death. Wildfires have increasingly become a symbol of nature unleashed. In regions susceptible to wildfires, up to 60% of the land can be consumed during peak fire seasons. Studies have shown that communities which adopt effective fire mitigation strategies, such as creating defensible spaces around properties and using fire-resistant materials, can reduce property loss by as much as 30%. The incredible footage of raging flames and billowing smoke serves as a vivid reminder that wildfire preparedness isn't optional, it's a necessity. Flash floods are equally dramatic, especially in urban settings where they can inundate up to 70% of city streets in just minutes. Research indicates that households with a comprehensive flood plan, including an emergency kit and clear evacuation routes, can reduce potential damage by over 35%. These percentages underline the importance of quick thinking and pre-planned safety measures when water suddenly turns from a life-sustaining resource into a destructive force. In addition to these natural phenomena, we also witness disasters arising from human error and technological failures. Industrial accidents, chemical spills, and even transportation mishaps are captured on camera, revealing that nearly 50% of such incidents could be mitigated with improved safety protocols and regular emergency drills. This footage is a stark reminder that disaster preparedness must extend beyond natural events to include all aspects of our lives.
Nelly, come here.
Data consistently shows that even a 10% improvement in individual preparedness can lead to significant reductions in overall damage during a disaster. Moreover, communities that engage in regular emergency drills and maintain updated disaster plans tend to recover up to 40% faster than those that do not. These numbers are not mere figures. They are a testament to the power of proactive planning. Now, as you watch these 60 astonishing disaster moments, ask yourself, do you have a detailed emergency plan in place? Have you assembled a disaster supplies kit with enough food, water, and essential items to last at least 3 days? Do you know your local evacuation routes and the safest areas in your home? Simple, proactive measures such as securing heavy furniture, practicing evacuation drills, and staying informed about local hazards are not just suggestions, they are life-saving necessities. If you're finding these insights as impactful as I do, please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription helps us spread crucial information. Please subscribe to our channel. Your subscription helps us spread crucial information on disaster preparedness, building a community that's ready to face any catastrophe head-on. And remember, check out the link in the description for our top recommended safety product, a comprehensive emergency kit designed to serve as your lifeline when disaster strikes.
Oh my gosh!
Thank you for joining me on this deep exploration of 60 astonishing footage of disaster ever caught on camera. Each scene we've discussed today serves as a powerful reminder of nature's unpredictability and the immense value of preparedness. Please subscribe for more in-depth insights and practical advice on how to protect yourself and your loved ones. And once again, don't forget to click the link in the description for our recommended safety product. It might just be the crucial tool that saves your life when chaos erupts. Stay informed, plan ahead, and above all, stay safe.